Very good. So are you all ready for the act? आवाज नहीं आ रही है? Yes, very good. So today our story topic is sharing is caring. We have always been taught that sharing is caring. You learn to sacrifice for some greater good to someone else, which makes you humble and caring. So today's story, we are going to learn the same thing. Okay? So there was a boy whose name is Bhavya. He never used to share his things with anyone. One day he went for a picnic with his friends. He brought chips for his picnic. One day he went for a picnic with his class friends, and Bhavya brought chips for his picnic, and suddenly he fell down and also his chips too. He started crying very loudly. One of his classmates, whose name is Ronak, went to him and said, "Don't cry, Bhavya. Don't cry, Bhavya. Please take my lunch. Don't cry, Bhavya. Please take lunch." Bhavya said, "Why are you sharing your food with me? I never did the same with you." Then Ronak said, "Because my mother taught me that we should always help others and share in need." From this onwards, Bhavya started sharing his things with his friends and with his relatives. And he learned a very important lesson that sharing is caring. Sharing is when you become selfless and help others, or sharing something with others. So from today's topic we learn that sharing is caring. Very good. Thank you all.
Once upon a time, there was a very beautiful garden. One day, some kids came there and started to play. While playing, they have seen some trees.
Oh wow, it's so beautiful trees.
Oh, yes, it is really beautiful. Hey friends, look at there. There are some fruits. It's looking so yummy. Let's eat it.
Stop, don't eat.
Why? Why shouldn't we eat it?
Because we don't know who put these fruits here. Maybe it is poisonous.
I don't know. I am feeling very hungry and I am going to eat it.
Stop, don't eat.
The girl was refusing, but nobody listened to her, and they ate the fruits and they fainted.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I told you friends, don't eat.
Moral: we should not eat those things which we don't know about it.
Story: The Great Elephant. One day an elephant wandered into a forest. He searched of his friends. He saw a rabbit. "Will you be my friend? Rabbit, will you be my friend?" No. You are so big. You cannot run." The elephant was so sad. Next day he come in forest. Suddenly he saw a froggy. Elephant suddenly he saw a froggy. Will you be my friend? Froggy, froggy, will you be my friend? No, 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 elephant. You are so big. You cannot run here and there. Elephant was so sad. Elephant was so sad. Next day, the elephant come in a jungle. He saw a fox. He saw a fox. Fox, fox, will you be my friend? No, 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 no. You are so big. You cannot run fast. The elephant is go. Next day, the elephant come in a jungle. All the animals are running. All the animals are running. And lion come in the jungle. Lion come in the jungle. All the animals are running. All the animals are suddenly he saw a fox. Suddenly he saw a fox. Fox, fox, what is the matter? Fox, fox, what is the matter? The fox said, the lion come in the jungle. He wants to eat all the animals. He wants to eat all the animals. Elephant was so sad. He cannot reply and was so sad. Elephant go to the lion. Elephant go to the lion. Lion, please do not eat small animals. All the animals will very small. Elephant has no option and kick the lion. Elephant kick the lion. The lion is tired. And all the animals thank to the elephant. All the animals thank to the elephant. And all our friends, all the animals thank to the elephant and all our friends. And your friend indeed a friend. इस कहानी का मतलब यही है कि हमारा मित्र वही होता है कि जो हमारी हेल्प करे, मुसीबत के समय जो हमारी हेल्प करे वही हमारा सच्चा मित्र होता है. एंड ऑल द एनिमल्स आर फ्रेंड. योर फ्रेंड इंडीड अ फ्रेंड. थैंक यू. ऐसे करो हाथ को. Today's story is the farmer and his 4 sons. Once there was an old farmer. He had 4 sons. They were very selfish. They always fight one another. They always fight one another. The old farmer was very worried. The old farmer was very worried. When he was on his deathbed, he wants to teach a lesson. He advised live in unity. But they did not care. One day he called his all 4 sons. They give him a 1 stick and say, break this stick. Each one could break the stick easily. Then he asked his son to break the bundle of stick. But no one could do that. Then they finally understand that live together. Then they finally understand that they live together. So always be in unity. Be in a unity. More of the story, unity is strength. Once a day, the children are playing in the playground. The children are playing in the school playground. The school is started up. So, school bell is ring. Suddenly, all the students are run to work and reach to their classes, but one student is fell down. But another student is there. His name is Arush. He pick up him and he go to the first aid, and after first aid he drop him to his class. That's why Arush are late. He is very late. And after that he go to their class and ask to his class teacher, "May I come in, ma'am?" And teacher ask him, "Yes, come in." And ask him, "Why are you late?" He says sorry and he explained all the reason of today's getting a late. And teachers are praises him and say, "Very good, I am proud of you, my son." And see, all the teachers stand up and clap for him. So, today we learn help other. Always we should help others. Yes, we should help other, do good, have good. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. My title is Always Share. Start कर दूं? ठीक है? John was a selfish boy. He never shared his things with anyone. His parents were very worried about him as how to teach him about kindness and sharing. Then one day, John was returning from school on his new bicycle. As John was watching, a boy fell into ditch. A boy hurt himself. The boy cried, "Ah, I can't move my arm." John would never help anyone. But that day, he felt sad for the boy. So he rushed to him and helped him stand up. He said to the boy, "Looks like you have fractured your arm. Sit behind me. I'll ride you to the hospital." Later that evening, the boy's parents visited John and thanked him. "You are very kind. You are very kind. God bless you. God will always bless you." After they had left, John's father said, "Son, see the blessings you received by being kind and sharing." John understood the importance of being kind and decided to share always. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, one day a great mathematician called a meeting for numbers. All the numbers, please come. All the numbers, please come. Come for meeting. All the numbers, come for meeting. Yes. I verify. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 0. Oh, where is 0? Where is 0? Where is 0? All the numbers went to find 0. They are searching 0. 0, where are you? 0, where are you? 0, where are you? Oh, sir, there is no 0. Okay, wait, I'm going to search. I'm going to search. 0, Mr. 0. 0, where are you? 0, oh 0, you are here. Come. Come with me. Come with me. All the 0, come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Yes, come with me. All the 0, come with me. 0? Yes. Why you were hiding behind the tree? The 0 is started crying. 0 is started crying. Oh, sir, I am 0. I have no value. Nobody cares for me. No one respects me. It hurts me. Yes. Then mathematician told, wait. Number 1, come here. Number 1, come here. Number 1. Number 1, come here. Call number 1. Mathematician called to number 1 to stand the left of 0. Number 1, look at the 0. Now, all the numbers, what is the value of 0? It's 10. It's 10. Now again, mathematician called the 0, another 0, and again he asked, now what is the value of 0? It is 100. It's 100. He called another 0, come and say, now what is the value of 0? Yes, it is 1000. It is 1000. Now mathematician told, what he told? 0 become a hero. 0 become a hero. 0 become a hero. Moral of the story, if we stand united, our value increases. If we stand united, our value increases. Everyone in this world has its own value. We should value each other. Thank you.